does someone get the benefit if they qualify?
So it's just an application, and it's not a terribly difficult application. I mean, it's kind of. I say that if you do your own taxes, it's not a difficult application, right? It looks very much like a tax form. It's
If you can handle TurboTax.
If you handle TurboTax, you can handle this. Yeah, a lot of small print and things like that. But essentially, it's an application that you make, and then you provide a lot of backup documentation.
Okay.
Now, that being said, there's a whole bureaucracy around it, as you can imagine. It's a veteran benefit. It's run by the Veterans Administration. There's a lot of built-in bureaucracy, and a lot of people are not successful, certainly on their first time, and sometimes are never successful in doing it on their own. We really recommend getting someone to help you with it, unless it's just a really straightforward application, and generally they're not so straightforward. A couple places you can go for help there. Veteran service organizations can provide assistance in making that application for aid and attendance benefits, and so you can go, check with any of the VSOs, and they probably have someone that's done it, 20 dozen times before, and B is a representative that's recognized by the Veterans Administration to be able to help you and do that. So a VSO is a good place to go. Or find someone that's an accredited VA agent, someone that the VA has accredited with. This person has the knowledge. This person that we allow them to represent people before us, and because this isn't their first rodeo. Our firm is a accredited agency, and we're happy to help our clients with that. Those applications, but like I said, VSOs are also available to do it. The third way of doing it is you can get a child or some other well-meaning friend to represent you on a one-time basis. So they don't have to get fully accredited if they're doing it once and only once.
Okay.
But anyone else has to do it. What you don't want to do is just get someone that's a well-meaning person that just says, "Oh, well, I'll just fill out the application and help you with it." If they're not accredited, they can't represent you in it. They're likely to mess something up. And frankly, it's illegal for them because they aren't. It's like practicing law without a license. And so if you have someone that says, "Well, I'm going to help you," but then they won't sign the application, it's a pretty good sign. It's because they can't and they know it, and they probably have a different agenda.
Okay.
The place to check, by the way, to see if someone is accredited, to do this or not. There's a website, and I don't have the full address, unfortunately. But if you will Google search accredited VA agents. The VA has a site that you can run a search in their database. You can search by name, you can search by state. You can find a list of people that are fully accredited with the VA, that meet the educational requirements, that have passed the testing requirements, that know what they're doing, so that you can know for certain this person can represent me in front of the Veterans Administration.
All right.